my name is Leslie and this is my audience. The title of my speech is An Apple a Day Keeps the Doctor Away. Have you ever been to the doctor's office and had to wait a really long time? Or ever been to get test results that you really didn't want to get? I bet you have. According to the CDC, 83.6% of adults and 93% of children went to the doctor in the year of 2015. Some went for coughing, some maybe for sneezing or a runny nose. Some people might have went for a chronic illness or just maybe to get test results. Whatever the reason, some people dread going to the doctors just for the fear of the unknown. But the doctor's office can be a very pleasant place and you can have a pleasant experience. You just have to understand what goes on behind the doors. I used to think that the doctor's office was a very scary place when I was a kid. I've been in the medical field 12 years now, and since then I've realized that the doctor's office isn't such a scary place. There are many people that have an effect on a positive healthcare experience. This includes the front office staff, the medical assistants, and the doctors. Excuse me, how can I help you today? These are usually the first words that you hear as you enter the doctor's office. The first person you're going to encounter is the check-in. They're going to collect your copay and verify any kind of changes with any of your demographics, such as your address, your telephone number, and they'll also make sure that the date of birth matches the correct one on your ID. Then you're going to see also the checkout person. They're going to schedule your next follow-up appointment, give you any kind of paperwork that the doctor might have filled out, and also if any prescriptions were prescribed for you. We also have the referral coordinators, and they verify your insurance and get any necessary referrals that you might need to see the doctor. We have the office managers, and they handle all the dissatisfied patients that come throughout the office. They also enforce all the office policies and procedures that they have in place. They make sure that the office flows smoothly and correctly for the doctor. Miss Smith, are you ready? These are the words that you hear as they call your name from the waiting room. Now you're in front of the medical assistant, and they're going to help triage you and get you ready for the doctor. They're going to take your vitals, check your weight and your temperature, and they're also going to find out why you're there for the visit. Whether it's just a routine checkup of chronic or minor illness, or just to go over some test results that you might have. If you're there for an injection, they're going to prep you and get the area clean for the doctor. They're also going to go drop all the medications that they need for the procedure, and they're going to have you sign a consent form which gives the doctor permission to do the procedure. Knock, knock. Hello, my name is Dr. Jones, and how can I help you? Finally, it's the person that you've been waiting for all day. The doctor's going to come in, and you're going to explain to him all the symptoms that you're having. Then he's going to examine you, and he's going to check your heartbeat, listen to your lungs, look at your eyes, your ears, and he's also going to do any other related tests that might be related to the symptoms that you described to him. Then, after his exam, he's going to diagnose you based off of what he found. When he diagnoses you, he's going to explain it to you in terms that you're going to be able to understand so that he doesn't talk above you. Then he's going to go over the treatment plan with you. There might be additional testing that's required, or it might just be a simple fix with antibiotics or a different medication. Then he's going to give you a chance to ask any questions that you might have regarding your treatment plan. Have a great day, Miss Smith. We hope you feel better, and we'll see you next time. These are the words that you hear as you're checking out and leaving the office. All three of the people I talked about, the front office staff, the medical assistants, and the doctors, provide a huge role in providing a positive experience for you at your doctor's office. Once you discuss all the flows and operations, you can get more at ease when you go to the doctor's office. Sometimes going to the doctor is unavoidable, but it can be a pleasant and positive experience if you let it. So next time that you catch a cold or have to go for your annual physical, just remember, that the doctor's office isn't such a scary place at all. Thank you.